We're counting down the 9 critical mistakes that could silently ruin your electric car this winter. From overlooked maintenance routines to hidden flaws in battery and charging habits, these pitfalls can lead to lost range, stranded vehicles, or even unexpected repair bills. Backed by real-world incidents and hard data, this list reveals what most electric vehicle owners get wrong when temperatures drop. Which winter habit is the true range killer? Let's start with number 9. Parking your electric vehicle overnight in winter without plugging in is a silent range killer. In sub-zero temperatures, even when your car is off, the battery heater and onboard electronics wake up to protect the pack, burning through 1 to 5% of your charge every single day. That means a weekend unplugged at minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit can cost you up to 10% of your battery, gone before you even hit the road. Plugging in, even to a basic 120-volt outlet, lets your car draw grid power for thermal management instead of draining itself. The fix is simple. Always plug in when the temperature drops. It is the easiest way to keep your battery healthy and your range intact through winter. Tire pressure drops as the temperature falls, and it is not just a small change. For every 10 degrees Fahrenheit the air gets colder, you lose about 1 pound per square inch in each tire. Picture this: if you set your tires to 42 pounds per square inch on a 70 degrees Fahrenheit October day, by the time it is 20 degrees Fahrenheit in December, you are down to 37 pounds per square inch, a 12% drop. That missing pressure means more rolling resistance, which can cost you 1 to 2% of your range for every 5 pounds per square inch. Your tires are underinflated. Lower pressure also hurts traction, especially on snow and ice. Do not wait for the warning light. The tire pressure monitoring system only alerts you at the safety minimum, not at the efficiency sweet spot. Check your tire pressure monthly and fill to the cold pressure listed on your door jamb, stated in pounds per square inch. It is a 5-minute fix that pays off in range and safety all winter long. Frozen charge ports are a winter headache few EV owners see coming. During the December 2022 bomb cyclone, thousands of drivers across the Midwest and Northeast found their charge port latches locked solid by ice. The culprit was melted snow seeping into the latch, then refreezing overnight and creating a rock-hard ice plug inside the mechanism. Owners who tried to force the port open with brute strength often snapped the tiny internal motor or latch. That mistake led to expensive repair bills of $200 to $400, rarely covered under warranty. The safe fix is gentle. Use a warm compress, not hot, against the port for several minutes, or activate your car's defrost mode if available. Never pour hot water or jab at the latch with tools. Both can make the problem worse or destroy the assembly. Clear snow before it melts. That is the best prevention. Don't let a frozen charge port turn into a costly winter surprise. Arriving at a charger with less than 20% battery in deep cold is a gamble that caught dozens of drivers off guard in Chicago's January 2024 freeze. Temperatures plunged to minus 19 degrees Fahrenheit, and supercharger stations filled with Teslas stuck in limbo, batteries so drained and cold that the cars refused to charge even when plugged in. The science is brutal. As the battery cools, its voltage drops sharply. What looked like 10% on the dash can flatline to 0 in minutes, triggering the car's battery management system to block charging entirely. Owners found themselves stranded, unable to drive or even heat the cabin, while tow trucks and support lines were overwhelmed. The lesson from that graveyard is clear. Never let your state of charge drop below 20% in winter. Treat that number as your new zero, especially before parking overnight or heading to a charger. It's the simplest way to avoid a dead car and a day ruined by the cold. One-pedal driving feels like magic until winter hits. Below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, many electric vehicles, especially Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, start to limit or even disable regenerative braking to protect the battery. Drivers used to lifting off the accelerator and getting instant slowdown can be caught off guard. In the cold, the car just coasts. On ice, that unexpected glide is more than annoying, it is dangerous. Regenerative braking is not always tied to your ABS, so a sudden regenerative braking spike on a slick patch can lock up the wheels or send you sliding. Tesla's own manuals warn about this, and owner forums are full of stories where habit nearly led to disaster. The safe play in winter is to switch your brain back to classic driving. Use the brake pedal, not just the accelerator, and leave extra space ahead. When regenerative braking is unpredictable, friction brakes and a longer following distance are your best defense. All-season tires sound safe, but they are a dangerous myth once winter hits, especially for electric vehicles. Electric vehicles pack 20 to 30% more weight than gas models because of their battery packs, and that extra mass means stopping takes even longer on slick roads. Consumer reports and DEVA testing prove it. A dedicated winter tire with the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol can cut your stopping distance on ice by 30 to 40% compared to an all-season tire. That is the difference between a near miss and a crash at a snowy intersection. The science is simple. Heavier cars need more grip, and only winter tires are built to stay soft and sticky below 40 degrees. Swapping to true winter tires might cost you a bit of range, but the safety payoff is massive. If you drive an electric vehicle where it snows, make the switch before the first storm. It is the single biggest upgrade you can make for winter survival. Pulling up to a fast charger with a frozen battery is a recipe for wasted time. The Idaho National Lab found that at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, an electric vehicle battery will accept 36% less energy over the same charging session than it would at a mild 77 degrees Fahrenheit. That is not just a minor slowdown. On a road trip, it can turn a 30-minute stop into nearly an hour. The chemistry is unforgiving. Cold lithium ions crawl through the battery like syrup, and to prevent permanent damage called lithium plating, your car's battery management system clamps down on charging speeds. Here's the trick most owners miss. Navigating to the charger in your car's GPS is not just for directions. It tells the car to start heating the battery pack as you approach, so it is ready to soak up power at full speed when you plug in. Skip this step, and you are stuck waiting as the battery warms up on the charger's dime. Always set the charger as your destination, even if you know the route by heart. That simple habit can save you 10, even 20 minutes at every single stop in the cold. Cranking up the cabin heat in an electric vehicle feels like the obvious move when it is freezing outside, but it is a range killer hiding in plain sight. The cabin air heater in most electric cars works just like a giant hairdryer, pulling 3,000 to 5,000 watts straight from your battery every hour you run it. Compare that to heated seats and a heated steering wheel, which sip just 100 to 300 watts each. That is a 10 to 20 times difference in power draw, all for the same personal comfort. Newer electric vehicles with heat pumps flip the script. Instead of burning battery to create heat, they use refrigerant to pull warmth from the outside air, delivering the same cozy cabin at 40 to 60% less energy. For most drivers, that means a heat pump can save you a third of your winter range loss, especially on milder cold days. The smart play is simple. Set the cabin temperature lower, turn on your seat and wheel heaters, and let the heat pump, if you have one, do the heavy lifting. That simple switch keeps more range in your battery for the miles that matter. Leaving your driveway with a cold battery is the single biggest winter mistake an electric vehicle owner can make. The numbers are brutal. The AAA 2019 lab test found that at 20 degrees Fahrenheit, an electric car's range can drop by a staggering 41% if you unplug and go without preconditioning. That is not just a little extra drain. It is nearly half your rated range gone before you even hit the highway. The physics come down to internal resistance. In the cold, lithium ions move sluggishly, and the battery acts like it is stuck in molasses. Even before you touch the heat, the ambient chill eats up about 12% of your range. Then the cabin heater kicks in, drawing another 29%, almost like running a space heater off your battery pack. But here is the cheat code. Precondition your car for 20 to 30 minutes while it is still plugged in. This uses grid power to warm both the battery and the cabin, so you roll out with a pack that is ready to deliver full power and a windshield that is already defrosted. Skip this step, and you are not just losing comfort, you are burning through range that could mean the difference between making it to your destination or hunting for a charger in the snow. Preconditioning is the ultimate winter hack, and it is as easy as setting a timer on your phone or using your car's app. Every cold morning, plug in, precondition, and leave with 100% of the range you paid for, not the 59% you will get if you drive off cold. Across all 9 winter pitfalls, one truth stands out. Electric vehicle technology is not fragile. Habits are. Cold weather simply exposes what we overlook. Mastering winter with your electric car is not about luck. It is about understanding physics and respecting limits. Stay smart, and your electric vehicle will thrive long after the snow melts.